Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you hide chats on your Snapchat. So without further ado, let's get right into it guys. So for this to work guys, all you need to do here is pick what chat you want to hide and go over here to their profile, the three dots and chat settings. So clear from chat feed. So make sure guys to remember the user's name so you can bring this back whenever you want to. So chat settings and clear from chat feed. So as you can see, this will clear the conversation from your feed, but it will not delete the sent messages. So clear that. So as you can see, it's now here. And all you need to do to bring this back is search for the name. So as you can see, this is the one here. And there guys, so as you can see, it's now brought back. And all you need to do here guys is repeat the same steps on whatever chat you want to do this. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.